A very good morning to all my students. So we were doing our chapter 10, that is respiration in organisms. So in my previous lecture I have discussed about that what do you mean by respiration. So what is respiration? Respiration is a process by which food is oxidized to liberate energy. Now this energy helps us to perform our daily activities, whether we go to the market, whether we go to the school, any kind of activity that we do on a daily basis is because our body provides us energy. Now this energy comes from the oxidation of food, and this process is called as what? Respiration. So respiration is a process by which food is oxidized to give or to liberate energy. Now this oxidation of food takes place either in the presence of oxygen or in the absence of oxygen. If the oxidation of food takes place in presence of oxygen, it is called as aerobic respiration. And if the oxidation of food takes place in absence of oxygen, it is called as anaerobic respiration. We have already discussed in details about aerobic and anaerobic respiration in my previous video lecture. So you can do one thing, you can again go through those previous video lectures where a detailed description is given on the topic of aerobic and anaerobic respiration, so that you can understand this topic very thoroughly. Today we will be discussing about a new topic, that is breathing and breathing rate. What do you mean by breathing and what is breathing rate? So now let's see. Now observe this boy, what he is trying to do. He is holding his mouth and nostril and looking at his watch. Let's see how long he can do that. He couldn't even hold his position even for a minute. Do you know the reason why? Because he is not able to breathe properly. So breathing is very essential for our life. You must have seen in these animals there is a continuous movement of the abdomen while breathing. Similar type of movement takes place inside our body also while we are breathing. Do you know the reason why there is a continuous movement? Because there is a continuous entry of air rich in oxygen and continuous exit of air rich in carbon dioxide with the help of respiratory organs. The process by which air rich in oxygen enters our lung is called inhalation, and the process by which air rich in carbon dioxide is given out is called exhalation. The process of respiration occurs throughout our life. There is a count, the number of times a person breathes in a minute. This is called breathing rate. Now this breathing rate consists of both inhalation and exhalation. A breath is completed when there is one inhalation and one exhalation. Now see these activities. Different persons are performing different activities like walking, running and sporting. So this type of activities, it requires lots of energy. Then he or she breathes faster. Breathing rate increases than the normal value. Do you know the reason why the breathing rate increases than the normal value? So when we are doing excessive physical activity, what happens? Our breathing rate increases and we take in more oxygen, and more oxygen then enters into our cell to break the food and give us energy. That is why our breathing rate increases. So we always feel hungry after doing physical exercises. But there is one thing, when we are sleeping, what happens? Our breathing rate decreases. Our rate of breathing decreases. Similar is the case when we fall asleep. when we fall sick, when we are not well, our breathing rate also decreases at that time. So our parents always advise us to take the food in the proper time so that proper digestion takes place, since our breathing slows down while we are sleeping. So here we can see different activities, like someone is reading a book, someone is sleeping, someone is eating, someone is playing. So the energy requirement of our body is also different at different times of the day. Now, do you know what is the breathing rate of an adult human being at rest? So the breathing rate of an adult human being at rest is approximately 15 to 18 times in a minute. But while we are doing exercise or doing any kind of physical activity, our breathing rate increases to 25 times per minute. This is because the energy requirement of our body increases at that time. Now, when we feel sleepy or drowsy, what happens? We start yawning. While yawning, what happens? We draw in more oxygen and give out what? Carbon dioxide. Oxygen is needed for our brain to perform its function normally. So when we are yawning, we are gathering more oxygen so that our brain can function normally and control drowsiness. Our brain requires a good amount of oxygen so that it can perform its function very smoothly and normally. Now the question is, how do we breathe? What is the mechanism of our breathing? So we will discuss this topic in my next lecture. Till now, revise this topic and try to understand the lesson thoroughly.